I use AI to build software every single day. And yet, this week, for the first time, I felt the floor move under me. Not because of the hype, because I looked at what the newest models like Claude Mythos can actually do, and I realized that even the people who are prepared aren't prepared enough. So here's what happened. A new frontier model dropped, and it found vulnerabilities in software that security teams at the biggest companies in the world never caught. Decades-old problems found in weeks. And my first reaction wasn't cool. It was, what about the things I've deployed? The client applications running right now? Because here's what nobody's talking about. The same capability that lets AI build software faster also lets it break software faster. And if you're deploying anything right now, AI built or not, the attack surface just changed under you. And most people building with AI right now haven't even thought about that. They're focused on what they can build, not on what someone else can break. My security workload has gone up 30% just to keep existing deployments safe. And I work with a cybersecurity specialist who guides me through it. Even then, I'm not confident it's enough. But that's really only half the story. Because the building got easier, but the consequences got bigger at the exact same time. That compression is what the floor moving actually feels like. AI handles most of my development now. The building, the connecting, the actual code. What I do is decide what to build, how to structure it, and how to ship it safely. That's the job now, the thinking work. And the decisions that matter aren't technical ones. They are structural. Where does the data live? Who has access? What happens when something goes wrong at 3 a.m. in the morning? Those are the questions that separate software that works from software that survive. I had a conversation recently with a fellow technical person about the systems I've built around my AI workflow. So skills, automations, custom tools, and he said something I keep coming back to. It wasn't that the solutions impressed him. He didn't even realize he had that problem. And that's the gap that's actually growing. AI can build a solution. It's incredibly good at that. But it can't look at your workflow and feel the friction that shouldn't be there. It doesn't know what's missing. It doesn't know what to protect. The most valuable person in the room won't be the fastest coder. It'll be the one who knows what to build and why. The one with judgment. And right now, that's a human skill. If that hit home, give the video a like. It helps more people see this and helps me know what to work on in the future. So yes, things are moving faster than I can even finish thinking about. And that's honest. A portion of what you're seeing is marketing, but the capability is real. And the gap between people who just use AI and people who think about what AI should do is getting wider every week. And if you're a developer right now, your identity can't just be, I'm a programmer, I'm a coder. You're a builder, you're technical, and the tool changes every few months. The thinking doesn't. Did you feel the same thing as me this week? Let me know in the comments. I'm really interested in other people's perspectives on this. But if you want to see what it looks like when you actually build a system around AI instead of just using it, I broke that down in my episode on Cloud Code and Obsidian right here. That's the foundation. Subscribe. This is Afterwork.